Every minute your business takes to reply on WhatsApp, you could be losing a customer. So what if your business could respond instantly 24/7 automatically? So today I am going to show you how to build an AI-powered WhatsApp AI assistant that can reply to customers, answer questions, capture leads and book appointments without you touching your phone. And the craziest part, you can build this in less than an hour without coding. But first, let me show you this working live. So here's my WhatsApp and I'm sending hi. Watch this. I have received instant automated reply. Now let's test something harder. I'll ask, what services do you provide? And look at this, the AI assistant understands my question and reply professionally in real time by sending me multiple types of services. Here I want you to know that in this tutorial I am going to design a WhatsApp AI assistant for event planner. Complete example, but whether you run a real estate, service based or any other business, you can customize the same WhatsApp AI assistant for that too. The logic will be the same. Now I am sending the next message as, send me more details related to corporate events. Then I have received the message from the assistant related to the corporate events details. Now I am going to ask something more specific. Can you also handle event decoration and catering? And within a second, the assistant gives me a complete professional response automatically. Now I'll ask one another question as, do you provide services outside the city as well? And instantly the assistant responds again without any manual reply. Now I am sending a last message as, I want to organize a corporate event for 300 people. Can I book a consultation? Then it responds to me like this. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp AI assistant we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business that works for you on behalf of your business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. And not only the AI assistant, with the help of this single tool, you can broadcast messages, create WhatsApp chatbots and many more. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow as we are creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. So I am going in this AI assistant feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your different type of businesses. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. Now as we are creating a new AI assistant, so I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, you have to give a descriptive name to your AI assistant that I am entering as, create your first AI chatbot on WhatsApp Pabbly Chatflow setup. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the business on whom you are creating an AI assistant. After that, I am clicking on this plus add AI assistant button, and see, our AI assistant is created successfully, as this is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting it as an AI agent, and as soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Basically, instructions are the rules that the assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can customize it if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI responses, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, you have to select the GPT model that I am selecting as GPT-4o Mini, and it will ask me to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, I am going to take you to my OpenAI platform. See, this is my OpenAI platform, and for generating this API key, I am clicking on this plus create new secret key button. Next, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. After that, the project I am selecting as default project and the permission as all. Next, I am clicking on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key, so I am copying it from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button, and see, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the starting of the conversation. It is usually used for sending welcome messages or short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this box. After the footer message, if you want to add it, then you can enable this toggle and add. Next one is the stop keywords. The stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, you have entered some stop keyword here, and the user will send exact same keyword while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and at that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So this is how stop keywords work. Here I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user if something goes wrong. You can increase the retry attempt till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or an connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your user for the better conversation. Here I have entered this fallback message, but you can customize it completely based on your business or company. Moving forward, the next one is knowledge source. See, this is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now, what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your assistant. With knowledge base, your assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, your assistant gives general responses. So it plays crucial role. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial we are going to create an AI assistant for event planner as a dummy example. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file for the AI assistant of event planner. Here I have added all the information related to my business, that is the services, events, business location, working hours, contact details, and many more. Make sure that the knowledge base file includes each and every information about your business. So this is how knowledge base file look like. Here I have designed this by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. You can create this knowledge base file by using Google Docs or any other application. I have created this knowledge base file by using Google Docs and downloaded it in a PDF format. Here I want you to know that the file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. After downloading the knowledge base file, I am clicking on this option and clicking on this add new file. After that, I am uploading the same knowledge base file from my gallery. See, this is the AI Event Planner Assistant knowledge base file. After that, I'm clicking on this upload files button and simply selecting it from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I'm entering the heading as Smart AI Assistant. Here I have given this by my choice, and you can see as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically this is the final look of the assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered is we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here too. And the initial message I have entered is hi there, how can I help you today? Here I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next, the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. And the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link. And the user first message I have entered as I need help. Now I'm moving forward to the next one, that is styling. Here you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will become active and clicking on the save AI assistant button. So this is how easily you can create an AI assistant by using Pabbly Chatflow. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your assistant inside your website. So not only here, you can access your assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set the assistant for all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here, that I am selecting as all contacts. After that, select the AI assistant from this drop down and click on the save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be thinking how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, and we have also a solution for that too. So for that, you have to go in this feature and add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing this amazing setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp AI assistant for your different type of businesses. You just have to change the knowledge base file and the assistant will work completely based on your own business agent. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business too. It works 24/7, saves a lot of your time and give the real boost to your business that they really need. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.